In the last quarter century, 1 billion people have escaped extreme poverty and over 2 billion gain access to water and sanitation. Impressive numbers, but still today, a third of the world remains marginalized. Soo-young takes us to a meeting in Seoul where experts discuss ways to make human development attainable for everyone.
Despite the significant rise in living standards across the globe over the past 2 decades, 1 in 3 people remain left behind in low levels of development. This week, the UN Development Programme's Policy Centre in Seoul launched the Human Development Report for this year, marking the event with a panel discussion on various global achievements and challenges.
When we talk about the progress and development, sometimes we are talking about averages. We are taking the unit of a society or a country. We are saying, well, we have made lots of progress. But in every society, as you have mentioned, there are specific groups of people who are discriminated and disadvantaged.
Women and children, displaced people, as well as ethnic and social minorities, face discrimination and exclusion that limit their growth as individuals. These marginalized groups are also more vulnerable to crises, from natural disasters and abnormal weather conditions to regional political conflicts, as shown by the ongoing refugee crisis. Experts say both the national and global response should be based on the concept of resilience.
Resilience is your capacity to absorb external shocks. So you have to get back to the normal stage. But in addition to that, you have to be able to make additional progress. So resilience means not only just going back to the stage where you were before, but moving forward.
This requires not only access to basic amenities, but also economic opportunities, ways for the marginalized to raise their voices and develop their personal capacities economically, socially and politically. Experts say this kind of enabling environment requires effective governance and institutions.
Actually, the MDG implementation experience indicated that wherever there is good governance, there is a good public service delivery on the ground, especially the health, education, water and sanitation. Good governance can also improve the policy coherence across government departments and between national and local governments.
Above all, the director of the report stressed that the most important factor is the change of mindset. Governments must break down exclusionary social norms that stand in the way of human development for everyone. Soo-young, Arirang News.